Imagine you're a new employee at Airwallex, a global financial technology company. You've just received your shiny new company card, and you're dying to know, how much spending power does this bad boy have? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get to the juicy details, let's talk a bit about Airwallex and why their employee cards are such a big deal. Airwallex is a fintech giant that's revolutionizing how businesses move money around the world. They've got a reputation for being innovative and forward-thinking, so it's no surprise that their employee cards are cutting edge. The Airwallex employee card, a closer look. So, what exactly is the Airwallex employee card? Well, it's more than just a plastic piece of cardstock. It's a powerful financial tool that gives employees the flexibility and convenience to make purchases and manage expenses on the go. But the big question is, how much spending power does it come with? The spending limit mystery. Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The spending limit on an Airwallex employee card can vary depending on several factors, including job role. Higher-level employees may have higher spending limits due to their responsibilities. Company policy. Airwallex may have specific policies in place regarding employee card spending. Individual approval. In some cases, employees may need to obtain approval before making large purchases. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of what you might expect, let's explore a few real-world examples. Example 1. A junior sales representative at Airwallex might have a monthly spending limit of $5,000 for business expenses like travel, client entertainment, and office supplies. Example 2. A senior executive might have a higher limit, perhaps around $10,000 or more, to cover larger expenses related to business development and strategic initiatives. Example 3. In some cases, employees may be able to request temporary increases to their spending limits for specific projects or events. Additional perks and features. Beyond the spending limit, Airwallex employee cards often come with a range of additional perks and features, such as travel benefits, discounts on flights, hotels, and rental cars. Rewards programs, points or cashback on purchases. Enhanced security, fraud protection, and biometric authentication. So, how much is the Airwallex employee card? As we've seen, the answer depends on several factors, but it's clear that these cards offer significant spending power and a host of valuable benefits. Whether you're a new hire or a seasoned veteran, the Airwallex employee card can be a powerful tool for managing your work expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of corporate finance.